In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can complete the Off the Radar quest here in Arc Raiders. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But for this quest, really all you need to do is visit and repair one field depot. And when you are doing this, you're going to want to look for a satellite antenna structure on top. They're all going to be marked on the map with a small tower style icon. And I'm going to show you these right now. So if you hit play down here and open up something for Dam Battlegrounds, for example, you can actually hit inspect and it's going to bring up a page that looks like this. These can spawn in different areas, but the best spot is going to be this area in the Red Lakes balcony. So I definitely recommend checking over here. But when you do arrive on top of these depots, you just have to climb up to the top of the depot and you'll see an interact button to repair it. Essentially just fix the antenna and that is it. You're going to complete that mission. It is super duper easy. And once again, these are going to be marked around the map after you accept the quest itself. When you do complete this, you get 2 defibrillates, which is pretty nice considering that it is a very easy quest to go ahead and complete. But that is how you could finish this quest quick and easy. If it did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.